Hello students. Now today we'll study recognition of string or language. So now in today's lecture basically we'll understand then how a finite state machine accept a string or a language. So first you should know what is meant by string or language. So a word or a string. String means sequence of symbols, whether they are inputs or outputs, is said to be accepted or recognized by a finite state automata if it is possible to start at Q0 and traverse the path of the string to stop at the final state. So it means what? Ki if the given string, if you start from the initial string and through the given strings, if you are able to reach at the final state, then we say this string is accepted by the finite state machine. So let's see, here there is an example. So Q0 is the initial state and Q1 is the final state, and here the diagram, state transition diagram, I have already drawn here. So suppose the string is 0 1 0. This is a string of length 3. So if we start from Q0, so Q0 with input 0, Q0 moves to with 0, Q0 moves to Q1. If the input is 1, then Q1 moves to Q0. And now we are at Q0. The next input is 0. Q0 moves to Q1. So it means this, we always start from the initial state. If this strings moves to at final state, Q1 is the final state, then we say this string is accepted by the finite state machine, given finite state machine. Similarly, you can see 0 1, if the string is 0 1 1, again I am taking a string of length 3. So again we start from the initial state Q0. 0 is the first input. So 0 moves Q0 to Q1. We start from Q0. Now we are at Q1. The next is 1. Q1 to Q0. So now we are at Q0. Again 1. So Q0 to again Q0. So it means finally we are at Q0, but Q0 is not final state. So it means, so it is compulsory that the last, when we use the last symbol of the string, then we should get the final state. So here we are at Q0. Q0 is not final state. So it means we can say this string is not accepted by our finite automata. Next, language. A language means set of strings. So here these are strings. So when we write different strings in a set, they may be of different length. Some strings may be of 2 length, some strings may be of 3 lengths. So collection of strings, you can say collection of strings. So a language, that is set of strings, is said to be recognized by a finite automata if it recognizes all the strings in that language. It means, suppose if this is the language, when we say the language, this is accepted by the finite automata if each of the string in this language is acceptable by finite automata. Let us take an example. So now here you have a finite automata with 3 states. Q0 is the initial state and Q1, here I have written Q1 inside 2 concentric circles. So it means Q1 is the final state. So here you have a finite automata, and suppose if I take the string 1 1 1, these are strings. This is a string of length 1, of length 2, of length 3, of length 4. So when we say this, these strings are acceptable if all the strings starting from the initial state and reaches to the final state. So if we take 1 only, so we start from Q0 and with 1 input we reach to final state. So this string is acceptable. Now 1 1. Again we start from Q0, with 1 we move to Q1, again with 1 input. So again we are starting again from Q1 to Q1 itself. So final position is again Q0, Q1 in this state. So this string is also acceptable. So all these are acceptable strings. Now next, suppose if I take this string 0 0 1. So first starting from Q0, the first is input is 0. So it means Q0 to Q1. Again 0, again Q0 to Q1, then 1, Q0 to Q1. So now we are at final state. So this string is also acceptable. Similarly, you can see all these strings are acceptable. So in general, here you 2 times 0, 2 times 0, 1, 2 times 1, 3 times 1. So in general, we can write 0 to the power. In all, there is no 0 in these strings. So it means if I take 0 as input, so in all these we are writing the 0 same number of times. So 0 raised to the power n, and this raised to the power n doesn't mean 0 multiply 0 multiply. It means 0 is, we are writing 0 n times and 1 is written m times. So it means 0 square 1 cube means 0 0 1 1 1 3 times, like this. So this is m is greater than equal to 1 and n is greater than equal to 0. So this is a collection of acceptable strings, and so now we can say this is a language acceptable. This language is accepted by the given finite automata.